LinkedIn reports earnings today after the closing bell. It's April 28, 2016. It's a Thursday, and it's UPBOptionMillionaires.com. Last earnings report came in the midst of the worst sell-off of the market to start a year since the Stegosaurus was, doing selfies on a desert somewhere in Africa. No, just kidding. I don't know where that selfie took place, but yeah, the dinosaurs were walking the earth the last time we had a sell-off as bad as we had to start 2016 for the stock market. You can look, LinkedIn dropped from almost $200 a share under 100 before finding support, and the support goes all the way back to the middle of 2012 and the end of 2012. Found support, rallied some 20% off the lows. Is this rally going to continue? Now you want to look at it, say possible bear flag here. You set it up, we have the flagpole, nice little flag. This earnings report could be what sends this stock out of this flag down to about $75 a share. So that would be a $50 move, significant move to the downside. On the flip side, you want to look at the price action off the lows historically for this stock, and some very similar price setups we've had along the way. You can see a move down. We have a similar kind of move off the lows and a nice $20 move to the upside. Also, this move at the end of 2012. Nice spike to start 2013. Another consolidation phase. Also, this one really mirrors it more than any other one here in the middle of 2014. A nice move to the upside. From 160 all the way to 230, $70 move. Is that what we're going to see for LinkedIn heading after this earnings report tomorrow? Are we going to see a nice $30, $40 move to the upside? Possible breaking 160. We're going to see a breakdown. I would look at these support levels here. Going back to 2012, 2013, we break below that. I think that's going to trigger a move to about $75 a share and ultimately down to about 65. That'd be the lowest that we saw in 2012. That is a distinct possibility, considering this bear flag we have setting up. On the flip side, the action's mirroring a lot of these moves that we've seen along the way the last couple of years, especially, again, this one in 2014, which led to a significant $70 move to the upside. If that's the case, we're going to come up to this 190 level. I don't know if we're going to do it overnight, but certainly something to keep an eye on. I'm thinking of doing a strangler or straddle here because I'm completely unsure of the direction. But the 150 calls $1, and we can head down to about the 90 puts. Let's take a real quick look at the chain. I have LinkedIn up here, and you can see if you look at the 150 calls here, they're 97 by $1, and we can go back down here to the 102 puts going for $1.01. So those are the options I'll be looking for, getting some calls and puts, because I think there's going to be a really sharp move for the stock. I don't think it's going to be flat here post earnings. And if we do get that $30, $40 move, that'll get us up to 160. Those $1 options will be 10, more than offset the put options. And then vice versa, if we drop to 90, those 100 options will be a 10-bagger, more than offset the calls I bought. So I think that's the trade to make, either a strangler or a straddle for LinkedIn heading into its earnings report tonight. It's up 3.5% today. I do think this is a possible bear flag that we could break lower, but I'm not discounting here the fact that over the course of the last 5 years, the action off a low like we saw back in 2014 has triggered a move to the upside. UPBOptionMillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. Everybody have a great trading day. LinkedIn, it's going to be very interesting, as well as Amazon tonight. A lot of big earnings reports. Take care.